Welcome back. Continuing the news. Suggestions are being put forward by the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association on how to improve the reggae product. Now, concerns have been raised that reggae continues to be widely underappreciated locally. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has this primetime news follow-up.
Our entertainment product in Jamaica is our oil, is our diamond.
President of the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association, Jaria, earlier this week on Reggae. But renowned singer Nadine Sutherland, though agreeing, feels it is still underappreciated.
I know, me can't even fathom people still saying boogie aga music and describing reggae and dancehall. I can't even fathom that people still have that mindset, but they do.
Mr. Simpson argues, however, the underappreciation can be fixed, starting with formal education and financial support.
I would want to see our financial institutions, for example, create peculiar products that understand the nature of how artists earn and how their lives operate. I would want to see more persons investing in the development of entertainment products and entertainers. So we shouldn't have an organization, and I keep going back to somewhere like Edna Manley College, that doesn't get anywhere near the amount of funding that is required for its operation.
Additionally, he feels the way some parents look at careers in the creative arts, including reggae, is belittling.
We have not looked at it as proper industry. Parents get a little nervous when their children want to go to the Edna Manley College because they're not going to look real work. And if you want to become a guitarist, or if you decide that you want to become an artist manager, what is that? But if you say you want to become a bank manager, then you have ambition. You see what I'm saying? Yet I know many artist managers that earn significantly more than bank managers.
He maintains Jamaica is in a good place now on the back of 19-year-old sensation Coffee winning the Grammy. But Nadine Sutherland says she's seen this scenario before.
I've lived long enough to hear the argument, we are at a good point. We are at good points at several points in our musical history. And anything has happened? Let me ask you the question. Have you seen something? Have you seen any thing that would have made, like a movement towards having this incredible festival? Or have you seen anything like that happen? No.
Both appreciate increased government support, but argue more is needed. For Jaria, the reggae music industry has more than just massive economic possibilities. It has the potential to be the best crime-fighting tool.
Our entertainment product is that which, whether we like it or not, prevents, even though some people think it causes, it prevents more crime from happening in the country because it occupies the creative energies of a lot of our unemployed people.
There will be lectures and discussions every Thursday as part of Reggae Month to discuss issues like this. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.